In this video, we are going to clean up WordPress a little bit and get it ready the way I want it or the way you would like it for yourself, and then cover how to install Blocksy and Brizy in the following videos. Here I have a fresh installation of WordPress, a vanilla installation. And you can start building out right away, but there are always a few things that I just tweak before I do that. I mentioned in the previous video, if you want to follow along for free, you can do so with local, and I'm actually running it in local. This is on my computer, no external hosting. I'm doing everything, so not paying anything. If you just want to practice along, make sure you follow the link to local, which is a free app, and you can also practice along for free. Let's change a few things. We go to the navigation sidebar on the left in WordPress and select settings, and that will take us to general. My site title is set to Brizy FREE 2022, and then my tagline, let's change this to something like Learn Brizy. Two more changes I'll make here. I'll change the site language, though I'm okay with English United States, just to show you that you can actually change it. I'll set it to English South Africa. And I like to change the time zone because especially when you are working with some plugins that maybe sometimes will have a date, or you send a form that will lock the date of your site, you may get a little confused as to when it was actually logged. So I'll set my site to UTC+2, which is for South Africa. And those are the changes I will make here, save changes. One setting that we also go and change at the beginning, which is just standard in WordPress, is the permalink. Under settings, go to permalinks. In the old days, or maybe still some, when WordPress installs, it sets to day and name. This is how it used to be, because when WordPress was focused mostly on posts and blogging, then people logged it by day and name. But we prefer post name. Make sure it is set to post name. If it's already highlighted, nothing you have to change here. Then I clean out a few more things. I'll go to posts. And there is a standard post here that says hello world. I don't want it, so I'll click on trash. That puts it in a trash bin, so I'll go to bin. And if yours says trash, it's because mine is in South African English. And then here in the bin, I will go to empty bin. I've cleaned that out nicely. If you forget to do this and you leave hello world in there, later on when we work with blogging, it may pop up and you'll be confused to, hey, where did this one come from? Similar to posts, let's go to pages. Two pages, one you definitely want to get rid of is the sample page. And the privacy policy is something that we do use, but I'm going to take them all out so I'm not getting confused as to what I'm building. And this time, because I have two, I'll select both of them by going to a bulk select. After you have selected the checkbox, you go to bulk actions, select move to bin, move to trash can, click apply, and we do the same, select bin, and then empty it, and we know that it's clean, clean, clean. Let's have a look at the front end. This is how we will work and build out our site in the back end. And currently, if a visitor were to come to our site and view it, you go here to the top where it says Brizy FREE 2022 or whatever name you chose for it, and simply click on it. And this is the front. This style with the image and the font all comes from the theme. We'll talk about that next. Please support this channel by giving us a big thumbs up. And for the links and other info that I do share during these videos, just look in the description below. In the next video, we'll show you how to install Blocksy free WordPress theme.